Hello, welcome to Cups by Courtney, and we are going to do a tutorial on the caramel apple cutie cup. I've been asked to do one, so I am doing one for you guys. This is a very cute cup to me. I can see all the little girls at the farmer's market carrying them around. It would be perfect for a photo shoot for this fall. So I have a cup that I've already started. It has the Rust-Oleum apple red paint on it, and then I of course epoxied it and put my decal on there. You can put any decal obviously you would want on here. After that I epoxied it, and then I put my caramel drip. For the drip, I went on and I did that yesterday. I put a little bit of the bittersweet chocolate acrylic paint, probably about 2 drops, and I put the honey brown, maybe a dot or two, and 1 to 2 drops of the golden brown acrylic paint. I also put in a little bit of the Cappuccino Pigment Powder by PDB. If you have not used their products, make sure to check them out. Definitely the best products you can buy. I also painted the top for this tumbler already because it's several steps that go into this cup, so I wanted to kind of have everything already started. For this top, I used these colors as well. You can adjust the color of the tint however you like. Always try to get it close to the color of the caramel. You don't want it too far off. And I did put a little bit of the cappuccino in there as well for a tad bit of sparkle. I also covered this with UV resin and put it under a UV light. I used a 1/2 inch flat square brush to paint on here, and make sure to go in a circular motion for the top of the cup so you don't have a ton of lines. And how I use to paint it, I don't put it on anything fancy. I just take my fingers however you find fit and just maneuver it in your hand, like so. And then once it's dry, we can put the nuts and the chocolate drip on the sides. So to begin with, I'm going to do the top first, so I can let that sit before I start with the chocolate and the nuts on this cup. Okay, so I already have the epoxy mixed, just trying to make a mess. So we're going to drip some of this onto the side. And then we'll use the nuts on that. Make sure my hands are kind of clean. And then I'm just going to place the chocolate on here. Just kind of paint it on. Thank you guys for watching. If you're watching this, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know about y'all, but I'm definitely ready for fall. Fall is definitely my favorite season. I love being outside, but in the summer here in South Carolina, the bugs, they just want to run me away. I swear, they do not like me. The mosquitoes and flies, something about it. The humidity, it definitely doesn't like my hair. I don't think it likes anybody's hair. I'm just almost done painting this on. You can just string it on there however you like. And you can also dribble some more over the nuts. Once we get those on. Try not to make too big of a mess over here. So I'm just going to take these and carefully place those on there. And I found out to use a plate when you apply these because they will start running all over the place if you start dropping them. I did not put this on the turner, so that's why I use the UV resin, because I'm not putting it on the turner. So I'll set this with my cups by my turner and let the heat help cure it, because I did apply the regular epoxy for this chocolate. I did not use UV resin. I'm just sprinkling them on. No set way to do this, I guess. All right, and that is the top. I'm going to set this aside. Okay. Okay. For the drip, see. Everything is trying to tip over. I'm going to first dab my epoxy on here. You do not want to go above this lip right here, because the lid is going to go to the top of this lip and you don't want all of this up there with that. So I'm just putting a little bit on here at a time. And then I'm going to dot a little bit where I want the nuts at. And then once we get all of this on there, and this dries, I will put the chocolate drip over it. And that will also hide the stainless that's going to be under your nuts. See what I mean? Those little things will fly everywhere. And you can always put as little or more as you like. And I'm just patting them on. Oops. You could probably use your tweezers, but I don't have time for all that. I'm just gonna use my hand. Obviously with a glove on. And so once you finish all of this step, when you put the chocolate over the top, it'll hold all of these on. So I just drizzle it over there so they're not gonna go anywhere. I just do this step to adhere these on there really well and let it cure before I apply the chocolate. You can just place them wherever you want to on your cup. And I did purchase these from Country Charm Wreath off of Etsy, and excellent quality. Almost done. I see the end of the tunnel. So after I get done applying these, once again, I will go put this on my turner and I will have to come back for the rest of the video. But this is fairly easy. I was just trying to come up with something that I have not I've not seen yet, and this just popped into my head. Super cute though. Y'all make sure you comment, send me a picture if you do one of these. I got this jar from the Steel Magnolia. I am not affiliated with anybody that I have mentioned today. These are just where I get my products. Okay, guys. This is what it looks like so far. And after this dries, I will come back for the rest of the video.